This video is to say special condolence to the family of our in-law, um, former governor of Ondo State, Rotimi Akeredolu. We send condolence to your family. And somebody will ask, why are we sending condolence to this family? How are they related to us? Well, the former First Lady of Ondo State, the wife of Akeredolu, is an Igbo. Yes, Chief Betty Anyanwu Akeredolu is an Igbo. She's our sister, married to the former governor who was late some days ago. That is it. We send condolence and we pray that the vacuum caused by this loss will be filled by God. Concerning the burial, we know it will be a state burial, but that is not really what matters. What matters is that there is a loss and it's painful. It's not too old to have died, but sickness, a sickness that have started for a long while. We never knew he could not make it. This sickness resulted into tussle with the deputy governor. At the end of the day, the deputy governor has been sworn in. So let's talk about that. So Lucky Orimisa Ayedetewa, who has been having a battle with the, should I say with the family or with the governor over taking over. Finally, the way has been paid for him. The governor is late, and I think by constitutional right, he is the one that will climb. So he has been sworn in on Wednesday by the state Chief Judge Justice Olusegun Odusora in Akure. That is the state capital of Ondo. Like you all know, his swearing in follows the death of former Governor Rotimi Akeredolu, who died in the early hours of Wednesday after a protracted battle with prostate cancer and leukemia. So it happens that the deputy governor cut short his holiday upon hearing the news to go and assume duty. He's now the governor of the state. Will I say acting governor of? I think he's the governor. I think the next appointment will be on who becomes the deputy. And somebody, Allah Lu Adeyemo, said, Mr. Governor, now he's talking to who is the governor. He said, Mr. Governor, please use your office to honor God and move the state forward. You are not on a revenge mission. Like I told you, there has been a battle between him and the family over replacement. But it has happened that naturally, he's going to be there. He should not start fighting wars. Remember, Akeredolu find it suitable for him to be his deputy. It was an opportunity. Yes, in most cases, it is the governor that selects or appoints or says, I want to work with this guy. Or, his party. But somehow he had his influence. I want to work with this guy some of the times. So he should be grateful to Akeredolu's family. And, well, it happens that he is there, and that is it. There's nothing anyone can do about it. So, what happens now that Akeredolu has gone? Like many of us know, the deputy governor will take over. Let me give you instances. After former Kaduna State Governor Patrick Yakowa and ex-Yobe State Governor Maman Ali, Ondo State Governor Oluwa Rotimi Akeredolu SAN became the third Nigerian governor to die in office. So he's not the first governor to die in office. Governors have died in office. Are we going to talk about president? No. Focus now is on him still. So he died at the age of 67 after a long illness. And with Akeredolu's passing, some Nigerians may wonder what will happen in the state now. Well, this is what will happen. In Nigeria, when a sitting governor dies, a certain set of events occurs to ensure a seamless succession of power and the continuing operation of the state's government. And the state should not be, his position should not be vacant at all. Somebody should be acting or somebody should take over. That is it. So the deputy governor automatically assumes the governor's duties as required by law. This occurs promptly in order to maintain continuity of leadership in the state. So, as it is, and you've known already, and it's been sworn in already, Yedetiwa has taken over. And when these things like this happen, they announce officially that the governor is late. And they will announce the time of mourning at which flags are flown at half-mast. That's all the flags go bend because something they wrong. The flags go bend somehow. They no go fly full, Normal flag now full. But then go draw them down. So then go shrink. So say something happened. Somebody where they important for that area don't buy. So that is what happens. Now, according to what I have here, said the provision is in line with section 19, subsection 1 of the 1999 Constitution of Nigeria as amended. The Constitution states, the deputy governor of a state shall hold the office of the governor of the state if the office of the governor becomes vacant by reason of death, resignation, impeachment, permanent incapacity, or removal of the governor from office for any reason in accordance with the section 188 or 189 of this constitution. So that is what happens. There have been a battle. There have been, this governor should give way. He cannot continue. Prior to his death, he cannot continue. He doesn't have the ability to carry on. But no. Even Tinubu, the president, asked the deputy, calm down. Your turn might come. Finally, his turn has come. He wanted it, this guy has to give way so that the state will move on as if he will have done something better. Well, we are watching. So the deputy governor will have to complete the remaining term of his deceased post, in which case he may decide to contest the next election or hand over power to whoever emerges as the winner after the election. So that is it. So normally at this time of someone's passage, certain people will say mostly good things about the person. And this is what LP governorship candidates in 2023 of Lagos said. As you know, Badebo Rosevivo, he praised the governor of Ondo State, the former governor who died. He praised him, and he said the late governor was a courageous man when he was alive. He said when the Owo massacre happened, he never played politics with it. It's not like our former governor of Anambra State, that says, if you kill one car or somebody, or you kill a cow, this happened. No, he didn't play politics. About the security of his state, he wasn't joking. If Akeredolu did other things that other people may not like, but in terms of security of Ondo State, Akeredolu was very serious about that. He know the look face. So, and that is why what Babe Roots Vevo is praising him for. He said the passing of H.E. Akeredolu is extremely saddening. When people across the state were being massacred, he did not ask, where are the cows? Nor did he play politics with the safety of his people. He championed the formation of Amoteku. I will not forget that in a haste. Everybody know Amoteku. There's a man championing it. There's a man behind why Amoteku was so popular at that point in time. I don't know about now, no. I don't know whether something went now. But the launch of Amoteku, you could see Akeredolu. He was so instrumental to the formation of Akeredolu. He cares about the security of his people. So, and this is what Vivo is saying. It is time to, during deaths and passages like this, you speak of the person. So all we say is, may his soul rest in peace. May God give the family the fortitude to bear this loss. May someone carry on with his legacy, especially that aspect of security. And like was advised, the now governor, former deputy governor Ayedetewa, should not have revenge in mind. because of what was denied him for long. It's been long that he wanted to have the seat, but he shouldn't have revenge in mind. He should fix the state, do the right things. And here I will say, thanks for watching. Remember, it's our in law. Our in law died, and we are also mourning our in law.